Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. Today, I will show you a simple, step-by-step plan to improve your English. No stress, just small daily habits that help you grow. Ready? Let's begin. Step 1. Set one clear goal. Choose one short, simple goal for this week. For example, I want to learn 20 new words. Small goals keep you motivated. Step 2. Follow a 20-minute daily routine. Spend 5 minutes listening every day. Listen to a podcast, a short video, or a song. Spend 5 minutes speaking. Repeat what you heard or describe your day aloud. Spend 5 minutes learning vocabulary. Choose 3 new words and make sentences with them. Spend 5 minutes reading something. Simple. Read slowly and read aloud. Step 3. Do weekly practice. Once a week. Speak for 30 to 60 minutes. Talk with a partner, tutor, or language exchange friend. Write one short paragraph about your week. Review your mistakes and vocabulary. Step 4. Improve your pronunciation. Listen and copy how native speakers talk. Focus on sounds that are difficult for you. Practice minimal pairs like rice, lice, or ship, sheep. Step 5. Grow your vocabulary smarter. Learn words by topics. For example, supermarket, travel, school, emotions. Learn useful phrases, not just single words. Step 6. Learn grammar and context. Don't just memorize rules. Study real examples and make 5 sentences. Step 7. Make English part of your life. Change your phone language to English, even partially. Watch shows with English subtitles. Label items in your home with English words. Step 8. Use technology, record your voice, and listen to it. Use apps to practice and review. Step 9. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes show you are learning. Write the correct form and repeat it 3 times. Step 10. Stay motivated. Celebrate small wins. Be consistent. A little every day is enough. Mini practice. Listen to 1 minute of audio. Speak for 30 seconds about it. Write 2 sentences about your plan for tomorrow. Keep going. Small steps make big progress. Thanks for listening. See you in the next episode.